Welcome to the Smart Seller Series, where we help Houston homeowners sell smart and move forward with confidence. I'm Evans Charles with Brooks and Davis Real Estate Firm, and today we're answering a huge question. When is the best time to sell your home in Houston? Let's break it down. Timing the market can make a significant difference in how much you profit, how fast your home sells, and how smooth your experience is. After helping hundreds of homeowners across Houston, we've seen what works and what doesn't when it comes to timing your sale. Let's walk through it in a simple, strategic way. There are three major factors that determine the best time to sell your home. Number one, market conditions. Two, seasonal trends. And three, your personal timeline. When these align, that's when you get the strongest results. First, let's talk about market conditions, which include interest rates, buyer demand, and inventory levels. When interest rates dip even a little, buyers come back into the market fast. That increase is in demand gives sellers more leverage and more opportunities for stronger offers. The second part is inventory. If fewer homes are for sale in your neighborhood, but buyers still want that area, your home becomes more valuable. At Brooks and Davis, we track this data weekly. We can tell you exactly when to sell. Is your neighborhood hot right now? Or prices rising or leveling off? Or buyers activate at your price point? This is why market timing is data, not guessing. Next, let's talk about seasonal trends. Traditionally, the best months to sell in Houston are March, April, May, June, good summertime. This is when families are preparing for summer moves, school transitions, and new opportunities. Homes tend to sell faster and for stronger prices during these months. And this is important, there is no universal perfect month. Houston market is dynamic. We sell homes in November, December, even during the holidays, and they can perform extremely well depending on the neighborhood, depending on seasonal trends matter, but they do not override market conditions. Here's what most people don't realize. Your personal timeline matters more than the market. If you're relocating for work, downsizing, upgrading to a larger home, going through a major life change, or simply ready for something new, that should drive your sale, not the calendar. Our jobs is to create a strategy that works with your life, not force your life to fit whatever the market is doing. Because a well-prepared home, priced right, will sell in any season. When you combine the three, market conditions, seasonal trends, and your personal timeline, you get your perfect timing formula. For some sellers, that formula says list next month. For others, it says prep now and sell in the spring. And for many, it says the time is right now. The key is looking at the full picture, and that's exactly what we help you do. Timing doesn't have to be confusing. You don't need to guess. You don't need to rely on random online advice. At Brooks and Davis, we analyze the market with you so you can make the smartest, most profitable decision without pressure and without rushing. If you're thinking about it, selling but unsure about it, timing, we would love to help you get clarity. Click the link below or scan the QR code to schedule your free seller strategy session. We'll walk you through it, your local market conditions, buyer demand in your neighborhood, seasonal timing options, and which timeline gets you the best outcome. I'm Evans Charles with Brooks and Davis Real Estate Firm. Thanks for watching episode 3 of the Smart Seller Series, and we'll see you in episode 4. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this a homeowner with a homeowner who's thinking about selling. Thank you.